Check out our newest feature release. Customize the look of your calendar. So, what is this feature all about? Well, our CRM has introduced a customizable calendar widget, empowering users to personalize the appearance and functionality of their calendars with ease. Why this matters to you and how it's going to help you and your business. Now you're going to be able to customize those primary colors, background colors, and the buttons along with the text to align the calendar with your brand. You'll also be able to offer a personalized and focused display, hiding specific calendar details that you just don't need. You'll also have the ability to make the calendar uniquely yours, not only aligning with your brand, but also elevating user perception of your business. So let me show you exactly where these new settings are. First, you're going to go ahead and access settings within your CRM. Now, to access the Calendar tab, you're going to click on Calendars in the Settings menu, and then as that upper navigation menu opens up, you're going to click on Calendars. From there, you're going to choose a calendar to edit. Go ahead and click on the three dots, which is also called the kebab, and then Edit. You're now going to see Advanced Calendar Settings. After clicking the Edit button, you're going to be able to enter the calendar settings. Now you're going to go ahead and select the Neo calendar. This is the new calendar that is fully customizable. So go ahead and click that Neo calendar on and open up those customization options, which is going to happen immediately once you click on that button. Now you can edit the primary colors, the background, the button text, and we've got more coming. You can also hide specific calendar details based on what you want your calendar to look like. You can toggle on or off the calendar title, the calendar description, and even the calendar details. Once you're done, go ahead and preview your calendar. Of course, make sure you save it first. Now, check out your new widget calendar that you've created. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.